just super simple because you can make $100 to $700, and that is what I would do. That if I need to start making free PayPal money, so this is the thing that I would personally do. So hear me out, and this is super simple. I would simply go on to Fiverr. Okay, so right now I am here in Fiverr, and you can see this is a freelancing platform, and we can find the perfect freelancing services. So I would choose from any of the options like this, like video editing. I would choose this one, but I would never choose this one because I have a better option that I am going to be doing. A new person would choose from any of the options, but this is a professional thing that a professional will also only do. Okay, so let's understand this. Let's have a mindset that is going to be helping us. So what is the thing? The first thing is I'm going to be going on to the trending section. Okay, so on to the trending section, we need to see that there are so many options like drop shipping, e-commerce marketing, e-commerce development, Discord services. Okay, so I am going to be going on to drop shipping. Okay, so I'm going to be going on to drop shipping. I'm going to be choosing from any of one of them, like trending ones. Right, for the trending options we're going to be choosing any one of them, and trust me on this is super simple. Okay, this is super simple, and you can actually choose from any of the options that you feel like. But I'm going to be going down, and you can see that there are options like different stages, like build a drop shipping website. Okay, so there are some like research your way to the right product, create a killer product content, manage your inventory and customer care, and the fifth is your new dropshipping business. So you can another have is there are so many options that you can actually choose, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make some free PayPal money with the help of that. Wait for a second. Okay, so just keep calm because this is the right way. It's a free way that I'm going to be showing you. So now I am going to be going on to the second option, is a research your way to the right product. Okay, so I can see this is a top seller. Okay, so this person has got like 5 rating, which is pretty much amazing. So this person has got 67 products, and whenever you go back, I'm going to be showing you something really killer that I just found. So I will do product research for Amazon, got 4.9. Okay, 4.9, but yet the person has done 1000 work. That means what? That means this person is a killer. This person is killer, you can say. So for $185, this person is going to be giving 3 profitable products and do some analysis for us. And just think about it like this, that this person is going to be giving us, I mean, wow, is this really, I mean, it is, which is pretty much I am so much shocked right now, because this is what I would do exactly. I am sharing to you, and you can actually copy paste this simple thing. So what I would do is I am going to be hiring this person. Okay, I'm going to be hiring this person, and this person, I don't, it doesn't matter that where this person is from. You can see this person is from US. Average response time is this. It's online. This person is online right now. So right now, if I need to tell you that what is the time right now at which I am in, time right now, if I just write it, you will be able to see that this is, it's actually 2:54 a.m. right now in India. So it's 3 a.m. you can see basically. So for me, it's, this person is actually on US. The time right now in US, in US basically, in US is like, it's like 4:24 p.m. It's evening right now, and morning for me. Basically it's, you can say 3 a.m. right now. I'm recording just for you all because I don't get much time, so I'm trying to give the best thing for you. Now the thing that I would do right now is very simple. It's like I'm going to be going up here. I would check the reviews first. Okay, I'm going to be choosing the reviews. So let's see all the reviews. So I'm right now here. You can see 1535 people has given 5-star rating. I mean, who we are to judge? Okay, people has loved it. Okay, so you can see I have been selling on Amazon for almost a decade and tried several product researchers on here, but this woman's Michael's research was better than all other by far. You can tell you actually she knows her stuff and all that. So you can see 2 months ago, you can see 2 weeks ago, 2 months ago, 1 month ago. Okay, so this is the thing. People from US and Pakistan, mostly from US, are actually loving this thing. So this person is actually selling the winning Amazon product, right? So this person will do product idea, data analysis, competitor analysis, or research, you can say, differentiation, skills, recommended suppliers. Oh my god, I mean, this person is doing everything for you. Top 100 keywords, giveaway number. So this is pretty much amazing. Now just think about it like this, that I'm going to be going on to here right now, and I'm going to be choosing that category. I mean, like for shoes. Okay, shoes for example, shoes for men, Nike. For kids, let's choose shoe for kids. Okay, so I need to go up here like this, and after that I am going to be going on, for example, onto the fourth or fifth. Okay, so I'm going to be going up here, and you can see these ones. I mean, uh, these ones, the CAI store, I don't know what it is, but basically, since they're putting on ads, they have money, but they suck. Basically, they suck at their things. That's why they are so much not into the things. So right now you can see that they are lacking in some things that they can actually make better. Okay, so the CAI store is not up to the mark that they are doing. So what we can do basically is that we can provide some services like this. I will do some product research. So we can do some product research for the profitable product onto this footwear niche, for example. And how we can contact is very simple. You can simply go on to about us if you want to, or you can actually go down like this. This is what I would do, and after that you can see that there are some Google links available, like customer care and some contact us, and some you can see some, this one's a referral and return some contact us, which is pretty much amazing. Now just think about it. You simply need to put in your name. I would just put in my name, email address, and message them that look, your store sucks in these points, your store is good in this points, and if we better in this way, your store is gonna be getting into a result of bettering the whole store is going to be having some better traction. It's going to be helping getting a good way. I mean, it's going to be on a different level from which is it's not right now. Okay, so basically you need to do a thorough research about it, and I know it's time taking and tiring. So what you can do basically is you can actually make some checklist. That is what I have done myself, and this is my own way, my own strategy. I have some you can say SOP, that is a standard operational procedure that I have made, that a complete. I would just simply contrast with the best in the market, and then I would do a thorough checkup that the best one has these ones, and this one is not having these points, and I would just cross check them, and I would just say that you can better these ones. You can have products like this, you can actually change fonts like this, for example. This is okay, but it's not great. Okay, it's like having a website. I mean, it's not just it's not having that vibe to be true. Like, you whenever you come into the website, I myself feel that they can actually do something really better. I mean, it's not having some great optimization of the page. uh, well, to be true, it is not good because I cannot actually have any traction. I can't find any direction up here. So this is like a generic website kind of vibe. Okay, not good, absolutely not good. So if it's having some good amount of I'm not happy with the thing. So I would definitely gonna be going on to the about us or onto the contact, and I would definitely be recommending that they can actually do something really better. I mean, this is not the right place, and this is not how it's being done. I'm not complaining, but it doesn't suit my eye. It is what it is. Okay, so I don't personally like this one. So this is how you can actually make money. It's very simple. You need to make, for example, when they're ready, you can make some free PayPal money just by actually taking the payment from them whenever they agree. You actually send them a free professional invoice. So here is from PayPal itself. So you can put in your business logos and other things. You can do all the formalities like invoice, company name, bill to, and all that completely in an awesome way. Okay, so right now whenever you get money, for example, if you charge them like $300, okay, so you can actually pocket like 1885 minus 300, let's take it as $200. Okay, so you can have a profit of like $100 too, or you can actually charge them 300, 500, 700. It's completely up to you that what is the price that you think you're going to be charging, and this is the top line margin that you're going to be having, and this is pretty good way. So that I would be personally be doing. Okay, so after that you can actually have the results that you want. I mean, just I right now I told you the exact steps that I know. People charge like $1,000, $2,000, $10,000. Well, here's the thing, you have got a real value thing in I tried to make a short course like this, so that a mini course, so that you can easily have that mindset that yes, this is how I can make some free PayPal money with the help of these ways. And after that, when you learn those things, my god, you will become an invincible person. Whenever you do that, you get results. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. What you're going to be commenting is the type of niche that you want to get into. And that was all for today. See you in another video. And don't forget to watch some other videos.